Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Signal on Linux. So first of all we have to go into our browser. It can be Firefox or can be anything basically, but we have to go into official Signal website in order to see the instruction of our installation and the steps that we need to do. So I will type in Signal for Linux. I will press enter, and right now we have a website right there, Signal Messenger, signal.org, download Signal for Linux. And as you can see, we have an instruction, Signal for Debian-based distribution. I am on Ubuntu. Ubuntu is a Debian-based distribution, so I can use this commands. As you can see, there is a note. This instruction only works for the 64-bit Debian-based Linux distributions such as Ubuntu, Mint, and of course Debian. And of course we can use that. So now we will move to our terminal, and we simply have to copy these comments one by one. So I will maybe make it a little bit bigger, and the first one is installing our official public software signing key. So wget command in order to download our key. I think, as you can see, it worked. Here we have Signal desktop keyring GPG, and right now we have to combine a T command with a cat command, and we can paste that. We have to of course type in our password because we use sudo. It worked without an error, so we can move to the second part, add our repository to your list of repositories. So again, we have to download something with a wget command, press enter. As you can see right there, we have two things. The new one is the Signal desktop sources, and again we have to combine cat command with a T command. So I will paste that again and press enter. It worked. And now the third part, update your package database and install Signal. So I will paste that, press enter, and we have to wait a bit. I can minimize that because it will be no longer useful. So right now we are doing our update, and after the update we will our installation process will begin. So as you can see, our Signal desktop I think is installing. Yes, it is on 20%. Now we need to just wait a bit. And now our installation is finished. How can we check if our installation has been completed correctly? We can just type in Signal minus desktop, I think, minus version, or we can just launch Signal, but it doesn't really matter. As you can see, we have some information about. No, the minus version command don't work. It's just launching straight away. So you can't use a version command. The version that we installed is here, 7.84. But you can just, in order to launch it, you can just, of course, type in, as I did before, Signal minus desktop. You don't have to use this version that I used here. It is working like this. Or you have the second way, just going into apps and going into Signal and launching it straight away by pressing a left button of your mouse. So this is how you can install Signal on Linux. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.